बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। तो आज की क्लास में we'll try to discuss the basic points behind the emulsion polymerization. अभी तक हमने जो polymerization techniques की जो बात है उसमें we have tried to see a solution polymerization, we have finished bulk polymerization, suspension polymerization, and this will be the last one we'll discuss in the polymerization techniques. So emulsion polymerization, as the word suggests, there is some formation of emulsion. तो basically ये जो polymerization technique है इसमें we get the polymer, we obtain the polymer in the form of emulsion. So polymer will be formed as emulsion. Emulsion, you know that when we have two liquid phases, liquid that is dissolved another liquid phase, so we have droplets of one liquid phase dissolved in the bulk of other liquid phase. So for example, you have oil in water, water in oil. तो उसमें जिस तरह का state हमें मिलता है, for example, you disperse oil in water. Now that the setup you will get in a vessel, let us say in a beaker. तो जो behavior आपको beaker में नजर आता है जब आप oil disperse करते हो in water in a beaker, so that's called emulsion. यहाँ पे the polymer acts like an emulsion, and then that can be used for the purposes like in the paints, in the coatings as it. So emulsion polymerization means where we obtain polymer in the form of an emulsion or a latex. ठीक? Now, so what we do here, basic points. Before we'll start the basic points, ये जो method है, it is one of the widely used polymerization techniques, one of the most widely utilized या used polymerization techniques at the industrial level. Fine. इसमें खास तौर पर it is used mainly for preparation of those polymers which are obtained through free radical mechanism. So those polymers which are prepared through free radical mechanism, they can be prepared through emulsion polymerization, number one, and those which actually can be prepared through ionic addition polymerization. Ionic addition polymerization mechanism, यानी जो polymers obtained हो through which are addition polymers, but they involve either cationic or anionic mode of polymerization. They can be prepared through emulsion polymerization. And then now what we do here, that's our actually topic. जिस तरह से हमने last के 3 lectures में emulsion, bulk and the suspension polymerization discuss किया था. So now what we do, इस case में we need the monomer. Obviously हमें हर किसी जो भी polymerization technique हो that we are actually, our aim is to get the polymer. So we need monomer जिससे हम polymer prepare करेगी. But that monomer that has to be it should be water immiscible. ये बहुत important है. So in case of emulsion polymerization, the monomer used that should be immiscible in water. Immiscible in water. तो ये important condition इसमें, that polymer initially we take that is immiscible in the water. That means water acts as a solvent. जिस तरह से हमने last वाले topic में देखा था, suspension में भी we are using water as a solvent. So now since we are using monomer which is immiscible in the water, that means initial state जो polymer का होगा, solution का, that is heterogeneous. So emulsion polymerization is another example of heterogeneous polymerization. Heterogeneous polymerization. जिस तरह से last वाला जो topic था, that was the suspension polymerization. That is also the example of the heterogeneous polymerization. Initial state, जो reaction vessel में हमने monomer डाला या initiator डाला, initial state पे we don't have a complete solution, we don't have homogeneity in the setup. So we say that in this case we are using monomer which is immiscible in the water, so that is, it is a heterogeneous system. So emulsion polymerization is basically a heterogeneous polymerization. Fine. उसके बाद So we'll add the initiator so as to initiate the reaction. Initiator so as to initiate the reaction. लेकिन इसमें important ये है that initiator is water soluble. So this was not the case with this suspension polymerization. For example, potassium persulfate या ammonium persulfate. Potassium persulfate that can be used, which is water soluble. So ये हमारा setup है. Let us say we put them in a reaction vessel, beaker, and then we know the solvent is that is water. So what we do, then we agitate this. So हमने last भी कहा agitation. Agitator एक instrument एक setup होता है, उस पे हम इसको रख लेते हैं reaction vessel को, and then it agitates. So there's agitation. So you'll see that the up and down kind of motion there. So it gets that shaking, or it gets that some sort of stirring. So we are basically agitating this. So this arrow I'm showing is the agitation. Agitation. इसको हम agitate करते हैं. तो reaction vessel में जो contents है monomer and the initiator, it is subjected to the agitation. Now continuously it is agitated, and then we know that during the course of the reaction will start, initiator will start the reaction on the monomer, and the monomers will react to form the polymer. So in this case we'll get a polymer, and that polymer will exist in the form of emulsion. So the product will be a polymer in the form of emulsion. In the form of emulsion. ये important है. Or latex. इसको हम latex भी कह सकते हैं. That is, we have the droplets, they are dispersed in the water. Polymer droplets like dispersed in the water. लेकिन इसमें खास बात ये है कि we can use this directly, this emulsion, for the commercial purposes like in the paints or adhesives and so on. So this is in general the basic concept of emulsion polymerization, where our monomer should be immiscible in the water, and the initiator that we can use, that should be water soluble. For example, potassium persulfate or ammonium persulfate. Now, so the emulsion we are obtaining here. अब यहाँ हम कुछ चीजें देखेंगे कि compare में during the course of reaction there will be heat evolved, that some reactions will be exothermic. So now, as the solvent is used, in this case is water, so there will be easy heat dissipation, suitable method. So easy heat dissipation. यानी इसे heat can be easily transferred from system to the surroundings. So heat easily dissipate होगी into the surroundings. जहां से जो heat निकल जाएगी during the chemical reactions, that will be easily dissipated. So there is no problem of any sort of explosion, number one. Second चीज में viscosity doesn't change that much. Viscosity doesn't change that much. जो कि अर्लियर मेथड्स में एक प्रॉब्लम हो जाती है कि पॉलीमर सॉलिड बन जाता था, तो विस्कोसिटी इंक्रीज हो जाती थी, स्टायरिंग में इशू आ जाता था, तो पॉलीमराइजेशन में इफेक्ट पड़ जाता था, रेट ऑफ पॉलीमराइजेशन पे इफेक्ट पड़ जाता है. इन दिस केस दैट इज नॉट द केस. अब इसमें और एक ये इशू ये है दैट जो इंपॉर्टेंट बात है, जो इमल्शन हमें ऑब्टेन हो गया, सो इमल्शन कैन बी डायरेक्टली यूज्ड. Emulsion obtained, polymer emulsion that can be directly used without purification. Without purification. तो इसमें तीन जो है some basic points which are regarding the emulsion polymerization, which is mainly used for those polymers which actually proceed through the ionic mechanism or free radical mechanism. For example, striking example, polyvinyl chloride. Polyvinyl chloride जो है हम जानते हैं polymer that's used in the cables. It is one of the widely existing polymers in day-to-day life. Now that polyvinyl chloride that's manufactured with the help of this technique. So ये question आ जाता है कभी that polyvinyl chloride that is manufactured through the emulsion polymerization mechanism, जो electrical cables में हम इसको देते हैं data life में, that's prepared through the emulsion polymerization mechanism. Simple. It is a technique by which we can get the different type of polymers which proceed either through free radical mechanism or ionic addition mechanism. But in this case, the polymer is obtained in the form of emulsion. So that's all for the emulsion polymerization.